Hey, welcome to JNL. I'm Jamil Zabaneh. Because you're not able to make your way down to Louisville, we wanted to do a quick virtual tour for you. So follow me. JNL was founded in 1991 and we've been in this office for over 15 years. About 50% of all of our employees actually work out of this office. So I'm going to give you guys a quick tour. We're going to start with our marketing department. So follow me. Upstairs is our marketing department. Inside of our marketing department, we have our creative services team. So the goal of JNL on our marketing is not only to handle our B2B marketing, but also to create and templatize our B2C. Primary responsibilities of our marketing department is innovation and product improvement. We have at least 2 graphic designers as well as a copywriter, a film team, a green screen, and a digital strategist. Our marketing department actually overlooks our print shop as well. So follow me, I'll show you real quick our training room. So upstairs at JNL is our IT team. On our IT team, we have multiple developers as well as a QA person, and then of course the director of our IT team. We're going to head over to our client services department, and our first stop is going to be our account coordinators. These account coordinators are the first stop on any of our direct mail or email marketing communication. So what ends up happening is when one of our sales orders pushes an order to us, the account coordinator collects that contract and they do a welcome call with the dealership. Now, the idea of this welcome call is very simple. Let's collect all the information, let's make sure that everything was accurate in the order, and collect any information that the dealership wants to customize it. All of our digital is done here in-house at JNL Marketing, so we've built out the technology to work within Google, Facebook, and Bing. Also too, our in-house dashboard with 24/7 reporting is a big feature that a lot of our dealerships have. We are Google partner status. One thing that is a little bit unique about us is yes, our salespeople are involved, but once a dealership signs up, they will be talking and have access, email address, phone number, to one of our Google certified digital specialists. Outside of our marketing department, we also have on our client services team another graphic designer, and the role of that graphic designer is when dealerships or centers want to make changes to their campaigns, they want to do it on the fly. They want customization. So not only do we have designers upstairs, but we also have a designer downstairs that can make this customization for any particular dealership. At JNL, data security is extremely important. We have over $10 million worth of cyber liability, and we're certified with CDK and Reynolds & Reynolds. Eric is actually our team lead for this team, and he works directly with the individual IT contact, or if it's Reynolds & Reynolds and CDK, to make sure we pull that. Now, it's one thing to pull it, but we also got to make sure we cleanse it. How we do email hygiene, how we do our direct mail hygiene, and then how we can apply our filters using some of our partners. In addition to that, applying our analytics. That's done by our team over here, as well as our composing team, which helps us variabilize all of our marketing from email marketing to direct mail marketing, and creating our drip campaigns, which is done over here as well with our marketing automation. Now, once a job is completed, it's going to go back to our finance team. So we work with each individual dealership on invoicing and collecting payment, and obviously if there's co-op, we submit it on their behalf with our accounting team. Follow me, I'd like to show you guys real quick what our print shop looks like. This is where we keep all of our paper stock, from 60 pound to 80 pound to 100 pound to 120. Certain OEMs that we work with are even very specific on the type of paper. So we keep this all in-house. Our print facility is temperature controlled and humidity controlled to make sure that that paper is in good quality when we do use that. Over here, these are what's called our Kodak Nexpress printers. These are 4-color, they're HD ink, and they have unprecedented quality. So right here is actually a few samples that are being done on our Kodak Nexpress, and you can kind of see the quality that it's getting. So the inserter works very simple. What happens is a piece goes in there, it goes through a folding tray, it's folded, and it's actually stuffed into an envelope. If ever down the line you wanted to do an insert or a lift piece in there, stuffed in the envelope, that can be done as well on this particular inserter. You can see with this job, there's actually an insert that's actually getting inserted in there as well. That machine that you just saw is actually our MBO machine. That machine can perf, it can score it, and then of course, as you saw, finish it and you can hot glue it. Hopefully you enjoyed the tour and we look forward to talking to you guys soon.